In the small, peaceful village of Willow Hollow, three best friends, Noura, the nature enthusiast, Adam, the curious adventurer, and Layla, the imaginative artist, loved spending their weekends exploring the nearby woods. But one sunny afternoon, they stumbled upon something truly extraordinary. While following a winding trail deep into the forest, the trio heard a peculiar sound. "Is that snoring?" Adam asked, his ears perking up. Noura nodded, motioning for them to follow the sound. "It's coming from that glade up ahead." The closer they got, the louder the snoozing grew. Finally, they stepped into a clearing filled with lush moss, glowing mushrooms, and an air of serenity. At the center stood a sign, "Welcome to the Snoring Forest, a place of rest and harmony." As they read the sign, a tiny, glowing creature emerged from behind a mushroom. It was a sleep sprite, about the size of a teacup, with shimmering wings and a soft, golden glow. "Welcome, travelers," the sprite said in a gentle voice. "I'm Luma, keeper of the Snoring Forest. You found the most restful place in the world." "Why is everything snoring?" Layla asked, giggling. Luma explained, "Every animal here contributes to the harmony of rest. Their snores create a soothing melody that helps the forest stay calm and balanced." But as Luma spoke, the snores began to falter. Some grew louder and uneven, while others stopped entirely. "Oh no!" Luma exclaimed. "The balance of rest is broken. If we can't fix it, the forest will lose its magic." "How can we help?" Adam asked. "There are 3 sacred trees that keep the harmony of the Snoring Forest," Luma explained. "But something has disrupted them. You must visit each tree and restore its balance." The first tree, the tree of gentle snores, stood tall and proud with silver leaves that shimmered in the breeze. As the group approached, they saw a group of mischievous squirrels racing up and down its trunk, chattering noisily. "Their playfulness is wonderful, but this is a place of rest," Luma said. Layla had an idea. She took out her sketchbook and began drawing a beautiful treehouse for the squirrels. "What if we build them a play area nearby?" Using branches, leaves, and their creativity, the group constructed a cozy treehouse just outside the clearing. The squirrels moved in happily, and the tree of gentle snores began to hum softly again. The second tree, the tree of deep dreams, was surrounded by restless deer, pacing nervously. "They're anxious about the shadows in the forest," Noura observed. Noura gathered glowing mushrooms and arranged them into a soft ring of light around the tree. The calming glow reassured the deer, and they lay down to rest. The tree's hum deepened, signaling its balance was restored. The third tree, the tree of peaceful silence, was being disturbed by a flock of noisy birds. "They're lovely, but their chirping is too loud for this tree," Adam said. He gathered twigs and berries to make bird feeders further away, leading the flock to a quieter spot. With the birds content and chirping elsewhere, the tree's peaceful silence returned. As the group returned to the clearing, the snores of the forest became harmonious once more. Luma glowed brighter than ever. "You've saved the Snoring Forest," Luma said, beaming. "Thanks to your creativity, kindness, and teamwork, the balance is restored." The trio felt a wave of calm wash over them as the soothing melody of snores filled the air. Back in Willow Hollow, the friends shared their adventure with everyone, teaching their village the value of slowing down and finding time to rest.